Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to take out a BMW M4 G82 ECU or DME, whatever you'd prefer. Start in the back of the car here. So take a look in there. There's the battery. It's going to be inside the trunk portion here. Okay, you'll need a little clip popper to open that up. But we're going to remove, again, like I said, the negative terminal off of the battery before we disconnect the ECU. For the battery, you'll need a 10mm. I decided to switch up to my Milwaukee. Makes life so much easier. Okay. Once the terminal is off, then we can move to the front of the vehicle. You'll need to pop the hood. Okay, we have this frame right here that's going to require a 15mm. It's two 15mm bolts. Okay, then we have another two on this side. Remove that bracket. Set that bracket right here. Okay guys, so there's going to be a little plastic lid here that you're going to have to remove. Okay, comes with a little slide-in pin on this side and then two actual pops. So very BMW. If you'd like, you can take a picture of the way that these are configured. I prefer to take a picture of the way that these are configured just because we work on a ton of cars and I need them to stay fresh in my head. So, okay, here we go. We'll go ahead and release these if I can. In there. There we go. We got one more. So I don't think it's really possible to mix those up. However, it seems almost impossible to get that out. Let's see what we're looking at here. Once we get this last portion off here, there is actually two tabs inside. What the heck? Look guys, this has never been, there's a literal hair under there. Well, that must be German hair. It came straight from Germany, so. But there is going to be two tabs on the other side of this plastic right here that you do have to actually work out. So you see how it's stuck right there? Okay, so let's see if I can get hands free here. We're gonna go ahead and kind of wedge that plastic there, and then boom, we got it out. So that's essentially it, guys. Again, if you want to take a visual aspect of it, it goes in this way. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you took the pictures prior, you'll know that the black goes first, then the gray, then the green, the yellow, and blue, so on and so forth. I'll have to reference a picture, but pretty self-explanatory. But we're gonna get this sent off, guys. This is a BMW M4 G82. Okay, so we do have to you know, got to work on this ECU. So we're going to send this off to our engineers, and then we'll come back. So next up, we'll have the downpipe installation video for you guys. Y'all stay tuned.